What's better than checking the king with one of your pieces? Checking the king with two of your pieces. A double check is exactly what it sounds like, giving check with two pieces at the same time. And when you do this, it makes it much harder to get out of check because the king cannot capture or block the check and must move. The king cannot capture or block because it cannot capture both pieces at once or block both checks at once. Let's look at some examples. In this position, white can use a double check to win the game. Can you see how? That's right, knight to f7. The knight delivers check and also reveals the rook's check against the king as well. This is a double check, and black cannot escape both checks at the same time. Let's take a look at another position. In this position, notice black's queen is lined up with white's king on the h1 to a8 diagonal. The only thing in between these two pieces is black's knight on e4. Can you find a double check that will win the game for black? That's right, knight to g3. Checkmate. Both the knight and queen deliver check against the king. Notice the king cannot move to g1 because the bishop is guarding that square as well, so the game is over. Checkmate. Let's take a look at one more position together. In this position, black decides to attack white's queen with rook a4, assuming that white must move the queen. Black didn't realize that white has a strong double check available. Can you find it? Great job! Knight to e7 is going to be a discovered and double check. If you said knight to f6 check, this is also another double check. Great job! After knight e7, the king is in check by both white's knight and queen. Even though the knight and queen are both under attack, black cannot capture both of those pieces at once to stop both checks. So the black king must move to h8. And after king h8, white ends the game with queen g8. Checkmate. Now it's your turn to practice delivering double checks.